Well, here it is, my 3D printer. This is my newest printing press, I guess you could say. And I'm going to combine what I can make with my 3D printer with the Wee Woody Rembrandt press expressly to make 3D printed plates. These will be plastic plates, but it's the kind of plate that more people can make, those people who are wondering what to do with their 3D printers. It's been a long road coming from the mini half-wood press to the Wee Woody Rembrandt press and going beyond to the NFT, non-fungible tokens. I can't wait to take it out of the box, but I'm going to have to wait. It's bigger than I thought. To find a place to put it. So today is unboxing day. My 3D printer. I've got to wheel it over to where I think it's going to be, by the window where anyone walking by can see the 3D printer on this table. 2 years ago when Rika was here from Hungary learning how to engrave, I made this table for her so people could see the printmaker working. Now it's going to be, people can see the 3D printer printing plates and maybe even the famous open press project, which is a 3D printed etching press. Well, here it goes. I got to get my knife. You know, I've had this knife for like 35 years or longer, 50 years. I think I got it when I was a student at Central. It's a real collector's item. Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen, my 3D printer. As you've probably noticed on the box, it's a XYZ, very popular printer. I pretty much picked it up at random, picked it out at random by the price, $350, and a lot of videos and a lot of references. I didn't have time to research it very deeply, but you know, I've been thinking about it for about 10 years, but time to do it. Thanks for watching.